Here's the dodecahedron, one side lifted up. Now you can see that there's a bow in the lower parts here. Actually the angle that the pipe should make is 60 degrees with the ground, but it's not. But what this shows is that I can support this until I can connect this node to the node over to there, and then all of a sudden it'll take the form of a dodecahedron. Eventually I wouldn't need to have the supports, because the frame of the dodecahedron will add tension to the whole system. So you can begin to see how big this really is. The lengths here, if I can make them another 10 feet longer, so it's a 20-foot, 30-foot thing, dodecahedron, this actually will be able to, if we enclose it with a balloon skin fabric, it actually will be able to float and carry weight. The target is 1,000 pounds, which is the same as how much a node of a 5G tower will support. Thank you.